English with Matt presents Story Time. Today's story, The Three Little Kittens. One day, three little kittens met a big dog. The three little kittens were scared of the dog. The three kittens ran away, and the dog followed them. The little kittens ran faster and faster. The little kittens ran into a little bird. But the little kittens kept on running. The little kittens ran into a little boy. But the little kittens kept on running. They ran towards a long piece of wood. "Uh-oh, we're in trouble now. Help, help," they cried. The smiling dog ran up to them. "I'm so happy to run with all of you," he said. What a surprise! Now the little kittens have a new friend.